Hi guys, so a little change of pace today. Still shooting waterfalls, but over in Idaho today, up in the Idaho Panhandle National Forest in the St. Joe River area. So I haven't been to this waterfall, at least the first one. Hopefully there's more than one today, but I haven't been to this one, so let's go find it. Alright, here's the stream. It's supposed to be a waterfall up there a little ways. Pretty steep country here. Might take a little work to get in there, but we'll get in there and take a look. See you when we get up there. Well, so far I haven't found the falls yet. I just checked the GPS and it's saying that I passed them already, but sometimes those GPS coordinates aren't correct. I had one waterfall a couple weeks ago. It was about 200 yards further upstream from where the coordinates said they were, so I'm gonna go up a little ways further, but take a look up there, but I don't know how much further I'm going to go. It may just have been a really small cascade that they're calling a waterfall, but we'll go up a little ways further and take a look. But right now I'm starting to have my doubts. But see what we find up there. Well, that ended up being a bust. I got up there probably twice as far as the GPS coordinates said the falls were, but I didn't see anything. It was just getting steeper and brushier, and so I headed out. I'm back at the truck now. On the way out though, I actually found an old trail that goes in there, so I might try going in there again this summer when the water levels are a little lower, and might be able to wade part of the way through the creek. We'll see. I guess we'll see if we can find another waterfall. Maybe. There's a moose. Look at that, might be a bull. Sorry about the video quality, it's zoomed in pretty good. Yeah, it's got some horns. Alright, we'll let him be. Alright guys, so right now I'm driving up to a secret waterfall. Not too many people know about this waterfall, as far as I know. It's not listed on any maps. I saw some photos of it once and went and looked for it. About a year ago, I finally found it. It took me probably 4 or 5 different trips, over a year's time, and I was finally able to locate it. But I guess we'll go photograph that today. See when we get up to the falls. If they're not, if the water isn't too high, hopefully I'll be able to access it, but I guess we'll find out. unfortunately, this is why sometimes it's better just to keep locations like this to yourself. People can't just leave well enough and enjoy the beauty of the place. They have to go and screw everything up. Alright guys, so I think I found a pretty good composition. It's kind of dark in here, so it's the sun going down here pretty soon. It's going to be a little bit longer exposures, but what I'm going to do is shoot a pano of this whole scene, and I got a circular polarizer on to cut down on the glare on the water. Looks like I probably have to bracket the exposure so that I don't get really dark spots and really bright spots. I can even them out. And well, my initial settings looks like they're going to be F11, ISO 100, about 2 seconds. So we'll go ahead and shoot this. Turns out okay, I'll put it up now. Alright, I made it back to the truck. I tried out a couple other compositions. I'm not sure if they'll work out. If they do, I'll put them up here at the end. It's getting kind of dark in there to try and film, so I just went ahead and focused on taking the pictures instead of filming. So I guess I'm gonna get out of here. Well, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments down below if you got any comments or questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you like the content on my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Well, until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.